guys, I have a very exciting news for you. So Essancia Oils are launching an exclusive range of pure and authentic essential oils. If you don't know what is essential oils, let me brief you a little about it. Essential oil are these volatile essence that is extracted from a plant that creates unique and wafting fragrances. These components are extracted from the plant, fruit, stem, flowers, and then they are converted into oils that is ready to use. The term essential refers to the presence of these essential amino acids in these oils that improve the skin resilience, texture, and hydration, and they smell amazing. Essancia Oils is here to help you provide the purest oil that is possible that can help improve your overall well-being. Essential oils have many uses such as cleaning, deodorizing, freshening, and apart from that, it is also used to address specific women's health issues. We provide with a wide range of essential oils that can be used for specific needs. Some of the famous and best sellers oil that we provide are tea tree oil, which can also be used to cleanse and purify your skin. Smelling lavender oil has been shown to improve the sleep quality of women, especially after childbirth, as well as of patients who are suffering from heart diseases. Whereas lemon oil is used to improve your digestion, mood swings, and headaches. The wild orange has this fantastic citrusy sweet aroma that can improve your skin texture and enhance your immune system. Studies have found that peppermint oil is very useful for antiseptic and antibacterial properties. The famous eucalyptus oil is used in massage, and also it has a moisturizing effect on your skin. Apart from this, we have a wide variety of essential oils that can be used for your health and overall well-being. We have advanced and modern testing procedures to ensure that all our essential oils are GC and MS tested. We set the bar for purity, quality, efficacy, and consistency. Therefore, we encourage you to check us out at www.essenciaonline.com. We offer fast and free shipping, 30 days return, cash on delivery, and delivery to your doorstep, just to ensure that the whole process of shipping and placing an order is very smooth and easy. We have more than 60,000 happy customers. You can place orders on our website, Amazon, and Flipkart. Whether you are a beginner or an expert in essential oils, you don't have to worry a lot because we will be publishing all the videos about how to use the essential oils on our YouTube channel so that it would educate you and make your process of using the essential oils a lot more efficient. We are committed to provide you the best. Those are the qualities you employ when taking care of those you love the most. So check us out at www.essenciaonline.com.